Lokesh Abrol is a renowned doctor, social worker, traveler, and writer. His writing captured the cultural and social ethos of India. His Holt Prize Foundation provides social entrepreneurship awards to young students. He has also set up multiple charitable trusts. Among them, the Vishnu Charitable Trust constructs and maintains cow shelters across India. His story Glimpses of India. Coorg gives a detailed description of Coorg, its inhabitants, and attraction.
Let's see what Lokesh Abrol thinks of Coorg. The author describes Coorg or Kodavas as heaven on earth. Coorg is a district of Karnataka known for its evergreen forests, spices, and coffee plantations. The best time to visit Coorg is from September to March. The inhabitants of Coorg or Kodavas are known to be fiercely independent. There are multiple stories surrounding the ancestry of the Kodavas. According to one story, the Kurgis are descendants from the Greeks. During Alexander the Great's invasion of India, a part of this army traveled to South India. Once there, they could not make their way back due to this impossible terrain. So they settled in what is now known as Coorg and Mangalore, with the locals adopting the culture of food and traditions. Another story surmises possible Arab descent based in the kufiya or the long black coat worn by the Kodavas, which is like the Arabic garment kufiya.
Kurgi people are also known for their hospitality and bravery. The Kurg regiment has got the highest number of honors in the history of Indian Army. General Cariappa, a Kurgi, was the first chief of the Indian Army. Till date, Kurgis are the only people in India allowed to carry firearms.
The hills of Coorg are home to mahasir or large freshwater fish as well as kingfishers, squirrels, langurs, and elephants. Coorg also offers different adventure sports like river rafting, canoeing, rock and mountain climbing, and rope climbing down the hills. These offerings would entice even the most relaxed of people, tempting them the spirit of adventure. One can also trek the mountains in the company of birds, bees, and butterflies, with squirrels and langurs watching them from the trees. Finally, the author talks about the climb to Brahmagiri Hills, which provides a scenic view of Coorg and the land surrounding it. From there, a walk across the rope bridge would bring one to the island of Nisargdhama, where they can meet monks from the nearby monastery.
Kurg, the author says, is full of attractive surprises for any visitor looking for the heart and soul of India.